Hello, Jen and Reviews here. And today I want you to come with me and let's talk about Aura's amazing herbal peppermint ultra healing body butter. This is the sample. This was a free sample and it's a 1 ounce travel size, but I love it because it's mildly scented and it has the spearmint and the bergamot oil. So this is great even for I feel comfortable putting it on my toddler. He is very active and sometimes he can scrape his knees or he can have dirty hands. And after washing them, I moisturize his hands with this. So this is how it looks. It has shea butter, so it's it's delicious. It's just mildly scented and it has that healing, not healing, but like the moisturizing component to it, to the skin, for hands, for elbows, for dry knees, even legs. So it is a rich multi-purpose antioxidant and nutritive, and it's amazing. You should check them out. And thank you so much for watching.